Now let us imagine this. Every time you step out of your house, strangers follow you, writing down everywhere you go, who you talk to, and even what you buy. Creepy, right? Well, that's exactly what happens online every single day when you browse without protection. But there's a tool that millions of people are using in 2025 to take back their privacy. It's called a VPN. And in this video, I will explain in plain English what a VPN actually is, how it works without the tech jargon, why so many people are using it today, and why you might need one too. Stick around until the end, because I will also share a follow-up video where I will break down the 7 best VPNs to use in 2025. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, we break down tech in a simple way that anyone can understand. No confusing buzzwords, no geek speak. Just clear, practical information. So let's jump straight in. What is a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. But let us not get stuck on the name. Here's the simplest way to understand it. Think about sending a letter through the mail. Normally, you write your address on it, and anyone who handles it knows who sent it, where it's from, and where it's going. That's the internet without a VPN. Now, imagine you put that letter in a special locked envelope. Only you and the receiver have the key. Nobody else can see inside, not even the post office. That's what a VPN does for your internet traffic. It creates a private tunnel between your device and the internet. Instead of people seeing what you're doing, they just see that you're connected to a VPN, nothing else. How does a VPN work? So how does it work behind the scenes? Here's the simplest breakdown. Encryption. Everything you send online, messages, websites, videos, gets scrambled into unreadable code. Even if someone intercepts it, it's just gibberish. Hidden location. Normally, websites and apps can see your real location from your IP address. With a VPN, they see the VPN server's location instead. That could be in New York, London, or even Tokyo, wherever you choose. Safe public Wi-Fi. You know those free coffee shop or airport Wi-Fi networks. Hackers love them. A VPN makes sure your information stays locked away, even on unsafe networks. Why everyone is using a VPN in 2025? Now here's the big question. Why are millions of people using VPNs in 2025? Let's break down the real reasons. Privacy from trackers, websites, advertisers, even your internet provider are tracking what you do online. VPNs help cut off that constant surveillance. Security on the go. People work remotely more than ever. Whether it's on a laptop, phone, or tablet, VPNs keep sensitive data safe. Access to content anywhere. Ever seen the message, "This video is not available in your country"? With a VPN, you can switch locations and access shows, sports, and content worldwide. Bypassing restrictions. In some countries, social media or certain websites are blocked. VPNs help people stay connected to the open internet. Safer online shopping and banking. VPNs prevent cybercriminals from stealing card details when you shop or bank online. Better deals online. Fun fact, flight tickets, hotel rates, and even subscription prices can change depending on your location. With a VPN, you can sometimes find cheaper deals by switching regions. Peace of mind. At the end of the day, it's about feeling safe, knowing your information isn't being sold or stolen. Now let me ask you, which of these reasons makes you personally want to try a VPN? Drop your answer in the comments below. Why you should consider using one. So here's the bottom line. You lock your front door when you leave your house, right? You wouldn't share your bank PIN with a stranger, right? A VPN is the digital version of locking your doors online. It's not just for tech people anymore. It's for everyday users like you and me. Whether you're streaming, shopping, working, or just scrolling, a VPN gives you control over your privacy and security. If you have made it this far, you now understand what a VPN is, how it works in simple terms, and why everyone is using it in 2025. But maybe you are wondering, okay, so which VPN should I actually use? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In my next video, I will be breaking down the 7 best VPNs to use in 2025, and I'll explain which ones are worth it. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications right now. Thanks for watching, stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.